Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be taking this car and we'll put it on the lift, get it up in the air to check out the undercarriage. Hopefully we don't find out there's much wrong with it and too much rust, but let's be realistic, it's not going to be pretty. We're going to be taking a look where to actually jack up the car because this car has rotten jacking points. Also, we need to take a look of what parts we actually have to order, what parts we can restore or rebuild ourselves. This and a lot more coming on this episode. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you will learn a ton and let's get moving. Guys, we set up the lift. Hopefully the whole car will go up and not just the lift, because that would mean that it's actually going through the car. You will see the process and fingers crossed. Basically, we ran into a little problem in the front. As you can see, the original jacking point looks pretty okay, but actually, as I was checking out, the whole portion of the car actually lifted. So we had to quit the lifting of the car. Now we will try to put it here. Hopefully this double edge will be strong enough to lift the car. But yeah, let's check out and let's hope for the best. So guys, the condition of the vehicle is bad to say the least. We actually have major chassis problems concerning rust, like the A-pillar, if you can see here, it's pretty much gone. So this is the original jacking point. So now we jacked up the car here. We'll actually show you where we jack the car tomorrow, because we will bring more lights so you'll have a better vision. But for now, we've taken off the wheels and we're going to take off the gas reservoir and the towing hook. I think we'll have a better vision and access to the rust areas. Yeah, let's get to work. So guys, thank you for joining me today. As you can see, the car is up in the air. We've done some little things. Hopefully by tomorrow I'll get some better lighting for the undercarriage, so you will see what exactly is going on and what the condition is. We will talk about the parts and what we can save and what we have to change tomorrow. Hope you guys learned something and that you enjoyed this content. See you next time.